by Wunderhorse is played in standard tuning with no capo, and it uses some basic open chords. The chords for the main progression are C, A minor, E minor, and G. And for the strumming pattern, we're going to start off on the C chord and we'll strum down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and down, down, up, down. We'll then move to the A minor chord and do exactly the same. Down, down, up, E minor, exactly the same again. And then to the G chord where we do change the rhythm, we're going to strum down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and down, up. Okay, so from the C chord we have the down, up, A minor, E minor, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and on the G. So the only kind of tricky rhythm there really is the G chord. And slowly again, C, A minor, E minor, G. For the bridge section, we're going to play an F chord for 1 bar, go into an E minor chord, and we're going to play through this 3 times. F, go into E minor, and after the 3rd time, we'll go to G for 2 bars. For the rhythm, we're going to strum down, up, so exactly the same as for the verse. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and into the E minor chord. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So F, and then we go to the G chord, down, up, down. So the same rhythm, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we're back into the verse. So the whole bridge, F, E minor, F, E minor, F, E minor, G, and then back into the verse. There's also an awesome little lead riff in the song too. It starts off on the 1st fret of the B string. We'll play that twice, and then go to the 3rd fret on the B string. So 1, 2, and 3, and we'll catch the high E string on the 3 and. Then we'll go back to the 3rd fret on the B on the 4 and. And then we'll play 1, 1 on the B, go into 3, open. And then to finish the riff off, we'll go to the D string and play the 3rd fret 3 times. Go down to the 2nd fret on the D string, little rest, open D string. The whole riff. One time. For more Wunderhorse tutorials, please check out this link here. Thanks for watching, happy practicing, and take care.